Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another video. Sorry that it has been a while. It's been 3 weeks since my last video, and I do apologize. There's been a lot going on. We've been, I had to redo this video. So we've actually had snowstorms. I've had personal things going on. We've also been trying to find a place to move into recently, and then also on top of that, I've been trying to make it a free affiliate marketing course for people. It's going to be like the most cost-effective way that I think you can build an affiliate business with. But that course has been taking a lot of my time and resources. Um, it's actually been a long, hard road to get that going. It's been 3 weeks, and then there was also I was switching some pages around and stuff like that on my list. It's just been busy. I have been trying to get on here and do a video, but unfortunately, things happen. I'm trying my best, guys. So first of all, I wanted to start out by saying no, that any of the things that are mentioned in this video today will be in the description in the comment section if you're interested in getting that. One of the links is obviously going to be TrafficZest, and then I'm going to have something called Wise down below as well. That one's not really a link per se for me, but it's just a link for you to go to, because once I explain my new strategy with TrafficZest, you guys are going to be like, oh. And then I'm going to also be providing you guys with my top traffic sources. It's a resource page that I've created of my top traffic sources that really do work for me. They work pretty much on autopilot, and the only thing I got to do is get the traffic and go. Anyway, so I'm going to be providing that as well, and whatnot. I just want to make sure that this is still okay. So I don't want that to kind of don't want that page to restart on me there. So anyway, so any of the links that I talk about today will be down in the description in the comment section, as well as I'm starting to add a new link. It's basically to my own personal website that I also have, where I do reviews on make money systems, things that work. I do reviews on traffic and things like that. So and there are some Amazon reviews. I'm not going to lie, I was doing Amazon products at one point, but those have actually Amazon went and switched the rules and stuff, and it's not really good for anyone else in the world to really try and market Amazon products from like on the US side. It's because they switched the rules and stuff, so I'm not even using it for that anymore. Um, so anyway, that's beside the point, but let's get to today's video. So, first of all, as you guys know, I've become a very big advocate for TrafficZest. I absolutely love it. I can't say enough about it, to be honest. It's been a better way to do solo ad traffic. It's a better way to get traffic to your offers from solo ads if you're someone who's interested in doing solo ads. And I cannot say enough about it. I absolutely love it. One of the guys that I go with all the time, his name is V2V. That's the guy that works for me the most. It really depends. Like, you have to find what works, what doesn't work still, but certain people's traffic are going to listen to you better than other people's. So just because V2V works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for you. But typically the higher paid traffic, like even 95 cents a click, is typically better traffic anyway. That's just what I figured out in my time in the industry, but that really depends. So I'm going to be talking about a new strategy though that I use, and this new strategy basically funds my account for me, and I don't have to touch. Basically, like, I don't have to sit here and keep putting money into this myself. It is technically my money, but I and not spending it out of my pocket. It's basically coming out of um, the well, I'll explain. I'll get into it, but basically, it's coming out of anything in the business. So now this does not. This is not. It doesn't pertain fully to the affiliate program. Okay. The affiliate program is like a small part of my strategy. It's like very small. And when I would say very small, I mean like extremely small. Um, so the new strategy, though, is basically something that I use. Um, it's the reason why I'm providing my top traffic sources is part of this reason, is that there are safe lists and stuff that you can join inside of the top traffic sources. And these safe lists, if you can get people to those safe lists, and you can actually get those people to upgrade, you'll eventually be getting money, and then you can fund your TrafficZest with that money, and it's kind of cool. Now, what I've been doing is I've been taking any of the money that I get off of my traffic sources and I've been putting it straight into Wise. Okay, so I've just been filtering that money into Wise. I haven't been doing anything else. It's just going straight in the Wise. And I'm going to show you Wise. Okay, so if you don't know what Wise is, this is Wise. I was already on this page once because I was kind of I was showing this and then I screwed up in the video and I was like, oh. So and I went and decided to record it again. But Wise is basically it's been a great thing for me to be part of. It's great for businesses online. What it is basically a financial institution. Okay, so what they're not really a bank, but they do give you like kind of a card, but it's not exactly it's not exactly a bank. They deal with 40 currencies. Um, for me, everything's priced in U.S. dollars online. So usually, because I'm in Canada, what I do is I go and transfer the money that I get from the safe lists and stuff, and any of my other traffic sources. I just keep putting it in there, and then what I do is um, I take that money and then I put it on Wise. And then what happens is I go and convert it over to US dollars and I go and basically fund my account. So basically, this calculator actually, it's funny because it's stayed where I was before. I was just calculating some things. Um, and So basically, yeah, they got like saving on fees. They're actually one of the best online institutions. I've seen a lot of people talk about, or not seen a lot of people, but a lot of the affiliate platforms will talk about things like Payoneer, things like that. I haven't used Payoneer myself personally. Um, Probably won't because I enjoy Wise. Wise has been simply amazing. But it's quick and it's easy, and all I do is send my money from my bank account right into Wise, and then I convert that money into US dollars. This is how I've been funding my account, though, completely on TrafficZest, and I've just been using my commissions from any of my traffic websites that people are paying for. I just go and put that into Wise, and I keep stockpiling it, and then I keep building my list higher and higher and higher. So that's part of my strategy, okay? So when I did this strategy, I just recently did it for the first time. And it was pretty cool because I'm just going to quickly show you. I'm only going to show you the front because the back is what has my personal information on it. But this is the card that you get from Wise. I know it looks backwards on my end on the camera there. But anyway, it's basically a prepaid Visa. What happens is that when you get into Wise and you sign up for an account, basically that's all you got to do is sign up, and then you got to verify yourself. Of course, you have to let them know that yes, I am who I say I am. So usually you have to provide them with like I'm pretty sure you have to provide them with a photo ID if I remember correctly, and I can't remember if there's anything else, guys. But then when you get all set up, you can actually ask for the Wise card, which is right here. I know it looks kind of different there, but of course their whole thing, by the way, their whole brand is like green. Um, when they send you the card, the envelope is green, the card is green. It's actually pretty cool. And it's like something exciting. Like when it comes in, it's like, oh, I know what this is. But anyway, so that's how I've been funding my Wise account, and I just basically keep funding it, and the traffic's paid for basically by itself. So that's all I've been doing. Now, if I go to TrafficZest again, you'll see that in the last, I'm actually going to close Wise out for a minute because it's kind of lagging a bit. You'll see that I spent $122, got 128 clicks. Um, V2V actually upped his prices this time because before he was giving me, I think it was about 70 cents a click, I think, and this time he was at 95, which is whatever. I don't mind paying, like his traffic is good. I don't mind paying a little bit more. Um, but anyway, then you go to, if we go to Gmail here, you'll see that I've got, oh, I had that selected, but anyway, so this one is the one that I just recently did. Now I have to take, I think it was four. Yeah, I got to take four of these off. So I had 84 clicks out of 128 clicks come in and sign up to my list. Now, in this course that I'm going to be releasing at some point, you're going to see exactly um, why I ended up getting. Um, Sorry, guys, just one second. You'll see why I ended up getting, like, how I get this many clicks to my list, okay, or how I get this many people to my list. Basically, it's because I'm using a capture page that literally, and I've said this many times before, and people don't believe me. I am basically using a capture page that converts at a 45 to 90% opt-in rate, which is not really the normal. The normal for anything online is usually, um, I think it's 30% or less. Okay, so 30% or less is what you get for most capture pages. Mine operates at a 45 or 90% opt-in. So you can see here that 84 divided by 128 left me at 65% opt-in this time. Um, so this time of year it's actually really good. It bounces back and forth basically, but it's really good this time of year to build your list and everything. Um, great stuff. I enjoy this. And then part of that 122 as well was not just from my safe lists and stuff, but it was also a little bit of it, like very small bit of it, was from the affiliate program inside of TrafficZest. So if you join my top traffic sources, which again is down in the description, TrafficZest will be there. But then you'll also have access to these same safe lists that I'm making money on. And be able to advertise those same safe lists. Now, I do have to let you know it does take work. Everything online takes work. If you want success, you have to put in the work. It is not something that you're just gonna like. You can't, like, I'm at a point now where it's sort of autopilot, but you cannot expect to join something and then go, okay, it's good now. It's not how it works. When you do get to the safe list, you do have to email. Try and email every day. I do recommend upgrading to them. I'm not saying that so that I can get a payment. It's not that. It's that upgrading to them allows you to email more times, either during the day or during the week. And then you just make sure you're consistent and you'll keep getting traffic. I suggest having a few different capture pages that you can use to capture people to different programs so that you're not promoting the same thing every single day, and things like that. So those safe lists will help you achieve more. And if you can get people to TrafficZest, then TrafficZest basically will pay for itself. You will have people come in that will go and upgrade, or not upgrade, but they'll go and get their first traffic or their first traffic go or something like that. or they'll keep getting traffic. And I've got affiliates to do that actually right now. I've got affiliates who literally get traffic every week, and they're every time they get traffic, I fund my account some more. It happens. It's great when it works that way. So, guys, again, check out top traffic sources down in the description in the comment section. Check out Wise. I strongly suggest getting into that because it is the easiest way to run your business. You can put your commissions and stuff in there, and then you can convert into more traffic. And it's just that's how it works. You keep reinvesting until you're at a point where you're making money consistently, and you're making money like every day, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. Um, Now, you will still need to obviously put more money into your traffic and get more traffic, but um, at that point, once it's gone to a point where it's working for itself every day, you won't have to really work that hard. Um, so that's how it works. That's my new strategy that I've been using. It works well. It works great. I love, 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 love. I can't say it enough. I love TrafficZest. It has been completely amazing. And I know that there are a lot of marketers now turning to TrafficZest, which is actually pretty cool to see. And I'm talking about not just marketers like me, but I'm talking about like the higher guys, like the guys that are making millions already. These guys are already turning to TrafficZest and getting more traffic every single day. It's crazy. Um, so I strongly recommend it, guys. Again, if you haven't joined, join. TrafficZest is amazing. Make sure you check out my website where I do reviews and stuff on different make money systems and things like that. I also do a couple of other little reviews there on other things. Um, Check out, I don't know if I said my top traffic sources, but I'll say it again, top traffic sources. And also check out Wise because, like I said, very amazing. I love Wise, love working with them. Amazing, amazing, amazing financial institution. You guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.